To our esteemed guest, Ms. Marian Baba Kalimbo, our school president, Mr. Sigfredo M. Maagad, our dedicated and respected beloved principal, Ms. Marjorie M. Austria, our supportive and respected administrators, our hardworking and dynamic teachers and staff, our dear parents, fellow graduates. Ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant day to all of you. Today is a momentous occasion as we gather here to celebrate our graduation at Riverdale Academy, class of 2023. As I stand before you all, I feel incredibly honored and grateful to be your class valedictorian, representing the amazing journey we have shared together. My name is Alvin B. Tanggap, and I am excited to reflect